Hello everybody, this is a crypto update. Let's have a look here at Bitcoin and at Ethereum. We have a terrible pullback down here, right? From 50,000, well, we've actually been higher, right? We've been at at around 70,000, down to 20,000. So that is a huge drop, which is basically a 75% consolidation. With cryptocurrencies, these type of consolidation, unfortunately, are normal, right? This asset class is super volatile. We've got very strong increases and we've got very big drops. If we look at this drop, for example, it went from 20,000 down to 3,500, I think it was. I mean, this was a huge, this was an even bigger drop than here. Just as a reminder, these are exponential charts, right? These are not arithmetic. We have to look at exponential charts, otherwise we cannot trade cryptocurrencies, not do chart analysis. And in light of that, right, this drop well, is not something that falls out of the range, and we can already see it, right? It's more like this drop we've seen back here in November 2018. It's a bit like this drop here that was the Corona spike bar, March 2020. So now we've got another drop, and this drop is is coming down and basically testing the old end 2017 high here at 20,000. This was a target level we had projected right back then. We've got even a lower target, so it could even drop down here to the 10,000 level, and we would still be in an uptrend overall, right? So it's very volatile, unfortunately, and volatility offers opportunity as well, right? Well, this is an S1. This could develop into an S1 pattern, right? We're still in a very strong uptrend on the monthly. Now this is a pattern, and we are currently developing here a test bar, right? So we like test bar. These are bars of capitulation of the bulls, and it basically clears the market. Now let's see if, well, in order to generate a buy signal, well, the bulls have to step in after they're losing that big, right, in a big way. The bulls have to step in and bring price above the green line. That would be the rebreak, and that would basically be an entry signal here at around $33,000 if one wants to trade a weekly pattern. Now let's have a look here at Ethereum. That looks very similar, right? It's still in a very strong uptrend. Well, again, here we are testing the 2017 end of year high. And again, here we have got an S1 pattern. Well, it drops off quite a bit, right? It's painful. It's going beyond the 200. But the cryptocurrencies are volatile, right? And if this comes back and breaks to a new high, well, you just have to imagine how that could look like. Well, let's just bring that up here, and let's just imagine how that would look like, right? So this is a pullback, and let's just assume price goes up here. Well, this in hindsight is a small pullback, right? It's so volatile that if you live it through, it's a huge loss, right? But overall, it just might be a small dip. And just imagine this dip, right? It went from 1,300 down to 90. So this is how cryptocurrencies work. We have to be aware that these things happen, and that there's both there's the risk and the opportunities, right? It's a double-edged sword. So for the time being, I'm not that much concerned, especially looking at the higher time frames. I see the pattern developing. Well, I want to see the bulls, right, to step in at some point of time. The bulls need to get confident. I remember very well, like this bar, right? This was a Corona bar. Well, this used to be a big black bar, right? Clear a bearish bar down here. Everybody was scared. Everybody was scared. Oh, if we break this low here, cryptos are done and over, right? Well, this didn't happen. The bulls came in, stepped in, and bought it up. Well, will a similar thing happen here? I don't know. The market will tell, right? And the signal will only flush an entry signal when the bulls have shown their strength, right? So this is it. Thank you.